Can commanders be responsible for AI weapon actions? Imagine a battlefield where machines make decisions about who to target and when to strike. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming more real with autonomous weapons. Now, the question is, if something goes wrong, who is responsible? Could commanders be held accountable? Let's explore how international law tackles this tricky issue. Under International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, military leaders can be held responsible for the actions of autonomous weapons, but not because the weapons themselves are guilty. Weapons are inanimate objects. They can't be criminally liable. Responsibility falls on the humans who control, deploy, or design these systems. This idea is called command responsibility. It means if a commander knew or should have known about unlawful acts committed by their forces and failed to stop or punish them, they can be held accountable. When it comes to AI weapons, the situation gets more complicated. These weapons can select and attack targets without direct human input. That raises questions about accountability if they cause civilian harm or violate laws of war. Despite this, commanders are still responsible for making sure their use complies with principles like distinction, which means telling civilians from soldiers, and proportionality, which prevents excessive harm to civilians. They must maintain meaningful human control over these weapons. That means humans should be able to supervise or intervene to prevent unlawful acts. The challenge is that AI technology is advancing faster than international rules can keep up. There's a growing concern about an accountability gap, where it's unclear who is responsible for decisions made by autonomous systems. Many experts are calling for clearer rules that requiring human oversight and define responsibility more precisely. Some suggest that command responsibility should be expanded to cover the operation of AI weapons, making it clear that commanders must supervise these systems effectively. In practice, this means military leaders need to have strict command and control systems. They must carefully assess how AI weapons are designed, deployed, and used in the field. If they fail to prevent unlawful actions or lose control of these weapons, they could face criminal charges under international law. All individuals involved in designing, operating, or deploying autonomous weapons share a duty to follow the laws of armed conflict. So, even though AI weapons aren't personally responsible, commanders can be held accountable if they neglect their duty to control and supervise these systems properly. This ensures that the rules meant to protect civilians and regulate warfare are respected, even in the age of intelligent machines.